Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be reacting on the most amazing Taiwanese cake. If you're a fan of a fluffy Japanese cake, then this is the video for you. We are going to be explaining all the complete video. We're going to be reacting on this amazing recipe, so stay tuned. So first we have to cover the bottom of our pan with aluminum foil and then line the inside of the pan with baking paper. Then we'll preheat our oven and we'll also bring some water to boil. Then now we'll proceed to crack our eggs. We'll separate the egg yolks from the egg white, as you can see. Then we'll measure our all-purpose flour and we'll heat our butter. We'll heat our butter with milk. Wow, already I can feel where this is heading to. It's so amazing, guys. We'll mix our butter and milk together with the flour and whisk, and we'll add together the egg yolks and mix all together. Wow. And we'll add some vanilla extract. Oh, who doesn't love vanilla? Fresh amazing vanilla from Madagascar in Africa. Africa is really blessed, full of amazing ingredients. Then we are going to whip our egg white and add some sugar till we have a stiff peak like this, a soft peak. Wow. Then we will fold in some of the egg white into our mixture and fold gently with the spatula. So satisfying to watch how the butter is being poured into the pan. Then we'll put some of our hot water around the tray to make sure that there is humidity in the oven while we are baking. Oh, so amazing, guys. The color is so golden brown. You can see, it's just so amazing. We will gently remove from the pan. You can see the side is so light, so white, so soft, so fluffy, guys. Wow, you can see it jiggling. We will dive right inside and see how it looks from inside. Wow, 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 so amazing, guys. Please make sure to try this recipe and let me know if you do try. It's really amazing, guys. Wow. Wow, this is really amazing to accompany with coffee.